Glenn and I are going just for a couple of days just to unwind. We're going kayaking, possibly our last kayaking of the year. We're probably not going to record very much tonight. We are going to do, we're doing kebabs on the barbecue. No hot dogs. This is a hot dog free trip. Anyways, that'll be a little further, so keep watching.
Calabogie Lake is located about 90 minutes west of Ottawa. I love my extendable ladder. You can see a video of it here. Let's finish setting up. Time to eat. Sorry, was a little dark.
Beef and chicken kebabs with cauliflower rice and not a hot dog in sight.
Today we are paddling down to Braden's Island.
Good morning from Calabogie Lake. There wasn't much to record last night. We really didn't do very much. Anyways, it was a quiet evening. We ate really late, which is, I think, our favorite part of being alone in the trailer is that we just eat whenever we want. I think it was almost 11 when we had dinner, and we went to bed around midnight. We did a little bit of work in the trailer this morning, had some coffee. Now we're out on the lake for a little before lunch. Activities. See what the rest of the day holds. It's beautiful out here.
The lake doesn't seem very deep. Maybe it's because we're staying close to shore. We've seen some larger boats, so I don't know. You're making my dreams come true.
Kind of hard to see, but right there is the Calabogie Ski Resort. Don't think we'll be going there today. It's pretty warm. But yeah, it's at one end of the lake here. So we've paddled all the way down here. I think we're going to turn back and go for lunch.
With you I feel brand new, 'cause I don't get old loving you. When I was older looking hard, your love hit me hard. I didn't see you come.
I know what you were thinking. You were thinking hot dogs or chip stand. But no, today we are having salad. Garden salad with some leftover chicken on top and some lemon garlic dressing. So see, it's not always hot dogs and chip stand. I mean, it mostly is, but not always.
Let's go exploring. Heritage Point used to be a visitor center, but it's closed now. This turbine and all of these devices are memorabilia from the nearby Calabogie Dam. Time for dinner.
Well, that was the Redneck Bistro. The service was okay. It was very slow. They forgot our appetizer, which was okay because the entrees were so big that we couldn't have eaten the appetizer anyways. The food was okay. I had a Calabogie hoagie, which was basically a Philly cheesesteak, and it was not very hot. It was almost cold, and it was very messy. But anyways, we're going back to the trailer. We have a live stream tonight, Guylaine may make a special appearance. Maybe. And I think that's all that we're going to do for tonight. We'll be back on the water tomorrow morning. Is it on now? My goodness. That was quite the effort to get in here. Hello, everybody. And with that, I'm going to officially fire myself and get off. Thanks, everyone, for joining, and we'll see you next week. Have a great night. Bye. Good morning. It's another sunny, beautiful day, but a little bit windier. The lake looks pretty rough, but we're going to go for a quick kayak before we pull out. There's white caps, and it's really, really rough. It's going to be hard to paddle back.
Yeah, we barely went 600 yards and had to turn back. Which is probably for the best because, as you can see, the weather changed very quickly. Time to go. This is a tight corner. I'm glad we aren't any longer. Next time, it's all about the boats. How we prep them for the season, and how we get them on the truck. Some of the amazing places we have been, and some places we probably shouldn't have been. So join us. Our next adventure is just around the corner.